Hi friends, hello. Take a good look at this. This is turned wood, amazingly beautiful, and it is here in the garbage. That's right. I've already taken these ones that are here. These ones, it was the other part of the bed, and I come with the camera, so you can see. Take a good look at this. So beautiful, so strong. And this is only, take a good look. We can make amazing pendulums with this. So this is the garbage, you can see it here. Alright, the garbage, usual garbage, that's right. And what we have, an amazing piece. This thing belongs to a museum, you know. So perfect. It's only one piece of wood, just one. Take a good look. Oh my gosh. Unfortunately, I don't have a house for this, so I'm going to cut these turned woods, and that's it.